To improve dynamic knee stability, perform a forward step up on the shuttle balance wearing STROBE eyewear. Combined with the unstable platform, it is difficult to maintain balance when there is a deficit in proprioception. The STROBE eyewear challenges the neuromuscular control for the leg. Turn 90 degrees to perform a lateral step up. With the frontal plane, there will be increased movement side to side. Proper weight shifting is essential to maintain balance by challenging visual motor skills. To prepare for higher level activities, you have to build a foundation that is stable.